Hello everyone, welcome to my other video. Today I will be talking about visibility problem in Java. While using Java, you might have faced this visibility problem. So let's see how it works and how to solve this problem. So at first I will need one boolean flag variable and I'm making this flag variable to true. Again, I need two different threads. I'm naming the first thread as 3.1 and the second thread as T2. In the second thread, I'm just calling one while loop that accepts that flag variable and do some operations here. And inside this T1 thread, I'm making that flag variable to false. So by looking into this diagram, it seems that suppose the control first goes inside the thread T2 and do some operations within this while loop, and then the controls comes inside T1 thread and make that flag variables to false. And then again, if the controls goes to thread T2, then the while loop doesn't satisfy the condition, so the operation comes out of the while loop. But technically it won't work in Java. I'm showing you why it won't work in Java. Suppose there are two cores inside the CPU, core 1 and core 2. So inside the CPU, thread 1 and thread 2 also running respectively. Now both of the core has their local cache and they also use one shared cache. So what happens when we are initializing this boolean flag variable to true? Inside this both local cache, the boolean variable is also getting stored as true. So at first, after completing the operation of T2 thread, when the control comes to T1 thread, it makes this flag variable to false. But if you just notice, it makes the flag variable false and it reflects only in local cache, not in shared cache. So that's why when the control again goes to the thread T2, it again gets the value of the flag variable as 2. And that's why the infinity loop just continues. So how can we solve this problem? We just need to use this volatile keyword. So if I just keep this keyword before this boolean flag, and it will work perfectly. So it will basically update this local variable or this boolean flag variable inside this shared cache. So whenever you use this volatile keyword, it flash the boolean flag variable and update in shared cache. And whenever the control goes to the T2 thread, and the T2 thread automatically just takes the variable from shared cache, or you can say the local cache gets updated from the shared cache. So that's all about the visibility problem. See you in the next one.